Hey guys, how are you? If you're watching this video, it means that you are Guitar 1 for the song Counting Stars. If you have not been assigned to this guitar part on this song, then this is not the video for you. So go back and watch for your specific video. If you're still here, that means you are Guitar 1 in Counting Stars. So let's begin with this tutorial. It's going to be a very simple one because we're only going to go through the chords. The first chord we have is right here, C sharp minor. It says here that you put this on the 4th fret. So it's going to be like a bar chord over here. Okay? Here you have. Then here. Then here. Then here. Then here. Okay? You're not going to play this string unless you can do the bar chord all over to the 6th fret. In that case you can. Okay? Up to you. So this is the first chord, C sharp minor. Okay? The next chord is E. The normal E that you've always been playing. Okay? Then we have B, which is right here. Same thing with the C sharp minor. You can only play from the 5th string unless you can go all the way out here with your bar finger. Okay, up to you. And then finally we have A, which is this. Okay, so again, it's C sharp minor, E, B, and A. Okay, now let me go to the chord chart so you can see exactly how this is going to go. Okay. So at the beginning we have the intro, okay, in which we're only going to be playing diamond chords. Diamond chords is when you play one strum for the entire bar. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bang. Okay, so the first intro, because there's gonna be 2 intros for the song. The first intro is just like that, playing diamond chords. The second time you play this intro, the first intro, you wait a little longer on this last bar. Why? Because the singer is gonna make it like a little bit longer and just focus on the original song, in which you can see the video in your Schoology. Then you have intro number 2, in which you're gonna play this strumming pattern. Okay. This can be read as ta 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 ta. So you're going to be doing the same chord progression, the same chords, but with this new strumming pattern, which is going to be like this: 3 and. Okay, you're only going to play that 2 times, and that's going to be the only part of the song where you're going to play that strumming pattern. Okay, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but it's only for those 8 bars. Okay, after you play that intro 2 for 2 times, then you go to the verse. Again, you go for diamond chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, etc. You play that chord progression, those 4 bars, for 4 times. And then you go to the pre-chorus, in which you only play diamond chords on the A. So it's A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, because the last bar has no chord. Okay, so you simply don't play. Okay, and then you go to the chorus. The same chord progression, same chords, but now the strumming pattern is going to be the normal one, which is like. Okay, and that chorus goes for, that's chord progression, those 4 bars plays 4 times. Okay, then you have the instrumental part, which is simply like an intermission between the chorus and the next verse, in which you play the same chord progression with diamond chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, Then you go to the verse 2, which is exactly the same as the first one, but it's not going to be 4 times. Now it's going to be 3 times. Be very, very careful with how many times you play because you might get confused. The first verse was 4 times, second verse is 3 times, okay? Then you have the pre-chorus, exactly the same as the first pre-chorus. Then you have the chorus, exactly the same as the first chorus. Then there's like this little part right here in which you only play C sharp minor one more time for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you go to the bridge in which you play C sharp minor every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you play 2 times that. Okay? After the bridge, you go to the pre-chorus again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and you stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you wait for the singer to start singing the chorus, and then you go to the chorus. The same way as you played the first 2 choruses for 4 times. Okay, you played the chorus 4 times. Again, the same. Then the coda, it's the same strumming pattern like you're playing the chorus, okay? And you play 2 times, but the last time you simply end with the diamond chord in A. Let me just play the second time with the ending. And that is the end of the song. Now, so you can understand exactly how everything is going to be played, there is a video in your Schoology called Counting Stars Guitar 1 Play Along. You're going to click on that and watch that video because it's me playing this specific part, your part, with the original song, okay? So when you practice, be sure to practice with that video, and when you record your entire video of the song, use that video as the backing track, okay? So you can always be on beat with that song, which is going to be the beat that everyone is going to be learning to. Not only Guitar 1, but Guitar 2, and also the choir students, okay? So everything has to be well on the beat, okay? Don't forget to watch that video and learn your song. If you have any questions, you can email me. If you need extra help sessions, let me know. We can work something out, and I will see you next class. Bye-bye.